In this video, we will be discussing outcomes of compound events and determining how many different possible combinations there are. So here we're going to talk about cake, we're going to talk about pizza, and we're going to also talk about kebabs. But let's start with these kebabs. So you all are having a get-together, and with these kebabs, there are different options that you have. So let's just say that you have the choice to get either chicken, shrimp, steak, or fish as the main meat. And for the other ingredients on your kebab, you can choose from mushrooms, onion, tomatoes, or bell peppers. You have to choose one meat and only one other topping. I want to know how many different possible combinations you can make with these. The easier way to do it is to just count how many of the meat options you have, which will be 4, and then how many other toppings you have, which is also 4. If you multiply 4 times 4, that will give you a total of 16 possible combinations. Okay, for the kebabs. Let's take a look at the second example. The second example is going to be with this cake. So now we have this cake here, and okay, this is a strawberry cake. But what if you didn't want strawberry? The bakery said, well, you don't have to get just this vanilla cake as your base. You can also get chocolate, strawberry, carrot, and marble in addition to the vanilla. And then maybe you don't want strawberries, you can also get sprinkles or whipped cream. Now on the picture it has some type of cream or icing, and it has strawberries. And if you were able to choose one cake base and only one topping, how many different possible combinations would there be? Now you can make a table, you can make a list, or you can make a tree diagram. The easiest way to do it is to count how many of the first option you have. In this case it will be 5. How many do you have of the other options for the toppings? That would be 3. If you multiply 5 times 3, you should see that there are 15 possible combinations. Okay, whether it's chocolate and strawberry, chocolate and sprinkles, chocolate and whipped cream, strawberry and strawberry, strawberry sprinkles, strawberry whipped cream, and you can go on and make a tree diagram and find out that there are 15 possible combinations. Okay, last one. All right, so now it's Friday, and mom or dad called and say, hey, you can order a pizza, but you can only have one topping, one sauce, and of course you pick your own crust. How many different possible combinations are there? Well, I called and they said I can get a stuffed crust, thin crust, or hand toss. So that's 3 different crust options. I can choose from ham, chicken, olives, or pineapples because it's late and this is all they have left. So that's 4 options. And then with the sauce, I can get the red marinara or the white Alfredo sauce, which are 2 options. So if I was to find out the possible combinations, the quickest way is to multiply these. 3 times 4 is 12. And 12 times 2 is 24. So there's 24 possible combinations. Again, I can do a tree diagram where I can do stuffed with ham with marinara, stuffed with ham with Alfredo, stuffed with chicken with marinara, stuffed with chicken and Alfredo, stuffed with olives and marinara, stuffed with olives and Alfredo. So you can continue that on until you see that there are 24 different possible combinations. In this video, we talked about outcomes of compound events and determining how many possible combinations you can get.